Amongst the most asked questions about the Pi network is the question of how much is going to be the price of the Pi coin on launch. Will the price exceed our expectations, or will it start at a relatively low price? All of this will be taken care of in today's video, as an insider in the Pi network core team just tipped us regarding the value of the Pi network on launch. If this is your first time visiting our channel, you should probably go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. On Atlantis Exchange, the price of Pi network remained unchanged at $26,000 throughout the course of 5 days. Since it was first traded on the Atlantis Exchange, the price of Pi coin has been steadily climbing and recently reached a high of $71,000. Despite this, the token's value plummeted dramatically, falling by more than half until stabilizing at $26,000, where it remained for 4 consecutive days. Recall that we reported that the token had a sharp increase on the Atlantis Exchange platform the same day it was listed and traded for $37,000, the highest price it has ever hit since being listed on exchanges, marking a 17,300% increase within 24 hours. This was the highest price it has ever hit since being listed on exchanges. Atlantis Exchange is one of the few newly built trading platforms that has been formally recognized by both the United Nations and the Department of Treasury in the United States. Atlantis Exchange is known for its creative and disruptive nature in the trading industry. It was designed to address in a methodical manner the 5 challenges that are now confronting the cryptocurrency industry. It is distinguished from other Bitcoin exchanges by having 8 internal features that are not seen elsewhere. The participation in such events will provide attendees with good protection against a variety of financial hazards. The purpose of the Pi network is to develop a decentralized Bitcoin smart contracts network that enables users to design their own apps and employs Pi miners as validators. It is anticipated that the Pi Money will be released the year after that, and as a consequence, any considerable selling pressure will have abated by that time. If the current supply continues to grow at its current rate, there will be around 45 million Pi users and there will be a total of 250 billion tokens available. After taking into account the increase brought about by the Minute debut and the use cases that are gradually coming to light after a few months of a fall, altcoins will look back on their historical development now that Ethereum is recognized as one of the most significant cryptocurrencies. As of November 2019, the venture has amassed a total of over 44 million individual wallets and has a market value of about $30 billion. In light of this, the value of the Pi cryptocurrency might range anywhere from $100, which would represent a market worth of $240 billion, which would represent a market cap of $720 billion. However, it is essential to have a solid comprehension of the fact that a sizable number of apps will have to be in the process of being developed on the network in order for the upper end of our Pi cryptocurrency value forecast to become a reality. In addition, the team is working to clear the way for the increasing number of applications that have become stuck. The work on Know Your Customer (KYC) is not only about scaling and allowing people to pass, but it is also about ensuring that overall KYC goals are achieved in order to let real pioneers pass KYC as accurately and safely as possible in different countries and regions, while preventing as many fake accounts as possible. Before any pioneer can join the Pi main network, they will need to first go through the necessary steps to get their identities verified. The team working on the Pi network has identified 3 key areas of focus for the development of the Know Your Customer (KYC) system: improving the KYC app, improving communication with users who are going through the KYC process, and increasing and accelerating KYC to the growing number of Pi users. The team has asked for your patience as it worked with millions of members who were located in different parts of the world within the benefits of Pi Network's enclosed primary net. The enclosed main net of the Pi network has made a commitment to building an environment that is both viable and sustainable. The Pi network is now operating within its protected primary net as the protocol gets ready for the much-awaited launch of the open main net. While the open main net launch will offer numerous possibilities, the enclosed main net will assist both the long-term development of the protocol as well as pioneers in general. That's all for now. Don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you and see you in our next video.